Hello, welcome back to another lesson of Joshua's guitar, and today we'll be learning fingerstyle blues on slide guitar and open D, so let's get to it. So our picking pattern is going to go like this, very simple and basic. Okay, so we're going to go bass, and then we're going to pinch up with our index finger. Okay, and so we're just going up and down, and then for our slide parts we're going. Okay, so we're sliding from the 3rd fret high E string. Okay, open, and then we're sliding up from basically sort of like halfway from the 1st fret on the B string, 1st fret all the way up to the 3rd fret, and then open B and E strings. And so you're playing that in between your alternating picking right here. Okay, so after we've done this for a while, time to move on to the 4 chord. We're going to do that like this. So it's chromatic. We're going from the 3rd fret and barring have our slide barring across all the strings. We're going 3rd fret, then 4th fret, and the same picking pattern, the 5th fret, and we're going. Okay, so then we're sliding down. Okay, and then back down again. Okay, so again we'll do this slow. Okay, so we're going to do that twice, and we're going to go back to the 1 chord. Okay, and for the 5 chord, we're doing a similar thing. We're pinching at the same time this time. Okay, so we're going 5th fret, 5th fret, 6, 7. I'm going to throw a lick in there. Start from the beginning. Okay, and then we're going to go back down and then back into the 1 chord. So let's go through this again. So we're sliding up, then we're going like this, and then we're going 10th fret, B string, then E string, and then 12th fret, B string, then E string. And then we're going back down, so that's 7, 6, 5. And then we're doing the same thing we do for our A chord the last time around. And then we're back to our D chord. Okay? And then the turnaround is going to go like this. Okay, so we're just going from the 3rd fret of the B string, 2nd fret, 1st fret, open, then we're going 5, 6, 7 again, and if you wanted to end the song, you would go slide up to the 12th fret on the D string through to the high E string, and leave the A and E string open. Hey everyone, that's going to be it for this lesson of Joshua's guitar. Make sure you like, comment, share on this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy lessons here at Joshua's Guitar. Thanks for dropping by. Bye for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.